What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Deep View Media. Today we have the DYU C3, a 14-inch foldable e-bike. What comes in the box is a seat and a second box. Inside this second box you have an owner's manual, a charger, a set of pedals, and a mini toolkit that will be all you need to put the bike together. The included toolkit made putting this bike together fast and easy. It took me less than 5 minutes to completely assemble the C3. On the left side of the handlebars you have the power button, and on the right side you have the LED power indicator and the light button. The C3 comes equipped with 14-inch blowout resistant tires. In the rear you have a brake light that has to be put on. The C3 comes equipped with front and rear mechanical disc brakes. Now that we have the bike fully assembled, let's take it out and see how it rides. The C3 comes equipped with a 250 watt motor and a 36 volt 7.5 amp hour battery. The C3 has a max speed of 15 miles an hour and weighs 44 pounds. If you're just using throttle, the C3 has a range of between 13 and 15 miles. If you're using pedal assist, the C3 has a range of 20 to 23 miles. With the bike only weighing 44 pounds, it makes it more than easy to carry the bike up and down steps. It takes 3 to 4 hours to completely charge the C3. The max weight capacity is 264 pounds. The C3 is portable and compact. Its foldable design makes it easy to store in car trunks and on trains and buses. Its lightweight design makes it easier to carry around when not riding. While not designed for long range, the DYU C3 offers enough range for most day trips and sightseeing adventures. The 250 watt motor assists with pedaling, making it less tiring. This foldable design allows for easy storage at work or on public transportation, taking up minimal space. The C3's small size makes it easy to maneuver through crowded campus walkways. DYU C3's combination of portability, affordability, and practicality makes it a great choice for travelers, commuters, and college students looking for an efficient and fun way to get around. Alright guys, that's it on my review of the DYU C3, a portable, lightweight, efficient, affordable electric bike. Thank everybody for stopping in. I appreciate y'all. Peace until the next time.